How to use the Aeroplan Visa Infinite Privilege Card properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Aeroplan Visa Infinite Privilege Card is designed for travelers, but beginners often make mistakes that reduce its benefits. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They don't maximize points on everyday spending. The surprising truth is that everyday purchases like groceries and gas can earn extra Aeroplan points if used strategically. Track your spending to optimize rewards. Another common mistake is ignoring travel perks. This card offers airport lounge access, insurance, and priority services. Not using these benefits means missing value that often exceeds the annual fee. Many users also overlook point expiry and transfer options. Points can expire or be transferred to partner airlines for better redemption. Keep an eye on your points and plan redemptions wisely. Finally, beginners often fail to pay on time. Interest and fees can quickly negate points earned. Always pay in full and monitor your statements. In conclusion, using the Aeroplan Visa Infinite Privilege Card properly means earning points strategically, taking full advantage of travel perks, managing points carefully, and paying on time. Avoiding these mistakes ensures maximum value and a smoother travel experience.